guys, I wanted to do a clean with me video. The house was kind of a wreck because I had a migraine for 2 days, so you will see it's a nightmare. So I'm just starting off with laundry, and we have been using Persil. It's really good and I really like it. I feel like it gets the clothes clean. So here is the majority of the mess. The kitchen was a nightmare. If you're a migraine sufferer, then you kind of understand, but it was kind of like one of those that came and went, and I would feel better for short periods of time, enough to make some food, and then I would just be fried basically after that. So the kitchen was really neglected, but this is real life, so I wasn't gonna clean it and then do a clean with me. I wanted to show you guys real life me. And I wanted to make sure I was getting my water ready first because it was still kind of sitting. It was one of those migraines that would just sit there. It would subside and just sit there. But yeah, today was the better day of this migraine, so I got my house clean. Alright guys, so for my dish detergent, I typically use Cascade Liquid. I've never really tried anything else before. I've always just used this. I would love to try something new, but I don't know. I'm nervous too when it comes to that, but you know, one day. So I typically usually let my dishes air dry, the ones that I hand wash. But I wanted to just get them out of the way so that I could get my counters wiped down and everything. So I'm just drying them off with like a tea towel is what they call them. They're like the perfect drying rag. If you dry your dishes by hand a lot, I highly suggest tea towels so it doesn't leave any streaks or anything like that. So I wanted to do another video with the Norwex rag. I just wanted to do like another clean with me, like just a clean with me video with it, just me using it, not a first impressions. Update on it, I've actually really been liking it. I think it's super easy to just wipe everything down and just be done with it. I really enjoy it with the polishing rag. Those two together are like perfect, match made in heaven. They don't leave any streaks, nothing. It's, I think it's really cool. It's a really good idea. And I ended up throwing these rags into the laundry after I was done in the kitchen, and they came out perfectly clean. It was just, they're just good. I really enjoy them. They're just really good. I feel like I need more. So I wanted to do my cabinets also, so I was just using a regular microfiber cloth, not a Norwex one, to just wipe down the cabinets. I went ahead and got a pack of microfibers at TJ Maxx because I felt like I needed new microfibers. So that was just a TJ Maxx one. But I did vacuum the kitchen, and now I'm mopping it with the Method Squirt Mop. And this is the hardwood floor ones. I don't think these floors are real hardwood floors. I think they're like laminate. So they kind of look like hardwood floors, but this works pretty good on them. I think that Squirt Mop solution can be used on laminate hardwood floors too. So it works out really good, and it smells amazing. It smells like, it's like almond oil or something like that. It smells like this German cake. Oh, it smells good. So I needed to take a break. I took about a 30-minute break and did some self-care. I drank water and ate some cereal because I could feel my hands starting to shake, and usually my hands will get really shaky before a migraine and I'll just get really tired. So I took about a 30-minute break, and then I started cleaning in the guest bathroom. And the rag I'm using here is not Norwex either. It's just one of those microfibers I got from TJ Maxx in a pack for like $5 or something like that. So just because I wanted to wash the Norwex rag in the washer after the kitchen because the kitchen was so bad, so I used a different one in the bathroom. I'm also mopping in here. I vacuumed too. And I'm using the Method Squirt Mop. I think this is the laminate tile or something like that. And it's the spearmint one, and it smells really good too. It smells so fresh and clean. It's a perfect bathroom mopping solution because it makes your bathroom smell good. So I highly recommend that. And then I'm just vacuuming the house, and I will fold that pile of laundry on the table too. So just making sure I'm staying hydrated, doing a little dance. This was probably like one of my best days. So it was a good day to clean because I was feeling way better. So I always feel like it's not a clean with me unless I'm folding a huge pile of laundry at the end. So I'm just gonna fold this laundry. I ended up putting it all away in that same day because I was behind on laundry, so I had a whole bunch more in the dryer that needed to be folded and I needed to make room. So I ended up putting all this laundry away after I folded it, and it was actually really nice because it was like done. I didn't have to think about it, it was just done. Alright guys, here is the nice clean apartment. I was super proud of myself getting it all done. If you guys like beauty videos, cleaning videos, a little bit of vlogging, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And as always, live life in full bloom, and I will see you guys later. Bye!